Alright, check out what just arrived. This is a headlight that I'm going to put on my trike bike. In Indiana, you cannot ride your bike at night without lights on it. So if I were to get stuck out late after dark, I would be riding my bike illegally in Indiana. So let's see what we got. It's shaped like a shark. That's funny. It is rechargeable. This is the thing that straps it onto the handlebars. Oh, it's got a, you can turn it off and on. It's got a thing. I don't know what you call that. A plug, a control thing. All right, this is cool. So this light is rechargeable. So when you need to charge it, you'll just unhook it there and plug it into the charger. It is, where is it? Ah, right there. So the charging port is in the tail end, literally. Comes with a charging cable. It is fully charged. Wow, it is bright. It is fully charged, 100%. That is bright. And let's see. So this goes on like this. Oh, it locks on. So you have to get it off. Let me turn this off. Oh, it's got modes. All right. So you got to move it all the way up there to get it on. But then it's locked on. So you have to use this to get it off. That's nice. All right. So it's not likely to fall off. And this is the handlebar thing. All right. So let's see here. So it's got the button on the top. And it's also got these buttons. So let's see what it does. And you're just going to plug your cable right here into the tail end. Ha ha. All right. So let's see what we got going on. All right, so I didn't touch the button on the top. That turned it on. It's got various modes, if you can see it. Flashing, off, on, dim, flashing, off. Good deal. Now let's see the horn. Ha 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 ha! Okay, that's cool. All right, so you can honk instead of ring your bell. All right, I like this. I think this is cool. It's going to go on my trike bike, and it will make it legal for the trike bike to be out at night in my state. All right, folks, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.